An Engineering Excellence Award is being presented to Martin Martin Consulting Engineers for the Harbor Center project. Harbor Center is the first major private development project completed as part of an extensive, ongoing mission to restore the vibrant economic heritage of downtown Buffalo and embody the historical character of Canalside.
We were involved very early on in Harbor Center. In the outset and from the beginning stages, it was very clear that the owner had a very clear vision for this building. They wanted to provide a building that the community in Buffalo could use and enjoy. They wanted a building that would be located right in the heart of a growing development in Buffalo called Canalside. But really from the outset, the marquee feature of this project was the ICE program. For this ICE program, the owner envisioned two full-size NHL ice rinks that would be located at a common level of the building. They imagined that these rinks would be served by several different locker rooms so that teams could come and go. And they also wanted to include a state-of-the-art athletic training facility. And they wanted all of these pieces to fit on the same level of the building.
The mixed-use development integrates unique structural systems for parking, retail, hotel services, ice rinks, locker rooms, training facilities, restaurants, and a meeting space. The structure features an exposed wood roof and is the first elevated ice rink to span over an active roadway. Martin Martin's structural design for the building transitions through three different materials: cast-in-place concrete, structural steel, and wood, to match the architect's theme and owner's goal for a unique community structure with a signature element.
As the architect worked through the program of Harbor Center and the site constraints, it quickly became apparent that the ground floor just didn't have the space for all of these functions of the ICE program. And so they decided that instead of locating the ICE program on the ground floor, they would actually elevate it a full 6 stories up on level 6 of the structure, which is like 70 or 80 feet above the ground floor. And up at level 6, there was additional space because starting at level 4 of the structure, a few levels below, the entire Harbor Center structure actually spans over Perry Street on the west side of the site. So all those floors above level 4 had additional space on them.
Martin Martin performed a detailed analysis to design the exposed parking structure levels to resist internal stresses caused by ambient temperature fluctuations. Ice sheet construction incorporated creative steel detailing, including recessed structures at the ice sheets, a 4-foot deep ice cleanoff pit at each rink, recessed iced header trenches, and a 7,000-gallon snowmelt pit.
I should mention that elevated ice sheets are really not a very common way to design them. They're typically at ground level, and these are actually probably only the second or third locations in the United States with elevated ice sheets. And as far as we know, this is the only location in the world where a designer has taken an ice sheet, an NHL caliber ice sheet, and elevated it over a roadway that's functioning. So it's a really unique design, and it's something we wanted to make sure that we really focused on early.